If you're creating videos for your business, portfolio, or content channel, Vimeo is a popular option, but most people get this wrong. They assume all video platforms are the same. The surprising truth is that Vimeo focuses on professional quality video hosting with advanced customization, privacy controls, and monetization options, but pricing varies depending on your needs. Vimeo has four main plans: Basic, Plus, Pro, and Business. The Basic plan is free, but limited. You can upload only 500 MB per week and have a total of 5 GB storage. It's ideal for testing or personal use. The Plus plan, around $10 per month, increases storage to 5 GB per week and includes basic analytics, customization, and the ability to remove Vimeo branding. Pro, around $20 per month, is aimed at professionals, offering 20 GB per week, advanced analytics, team collaboration tools, and additional privacy options. Business and premium plans, starting around $50 per month, include unlimited live streaming, priority support, detailed marketing tools, and high-level analytics. These plans are perfect for agencies, creators monetizing content, or businesses relying on video for marketing. Vimeo stands out for its privacy and customization features. You can password protect videos, embed them on your website without ads, and customize the player to match your brand. This is a big advantage over free platforms like YouTube, especially for client work or premium content. In conclusion, Vimeo is excellent if you need professional video hosting with control, analytics, and monetization. Your ideal plan depends on upload volume, analytics needs, and whether you want advanced features like live streaming or team collaboration. If this pricing comparison helped you decide which Vimeo plan fits your needs, subscribe for more platform breakdowns, video hosting tips, and creative tools reviews.